In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the city in the Uber Driver app. This is a useful skill to have if you're a driver who's relocating or simply working in a new area temporarily. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to the Uber Eats website. You might be wondering why we're using the Uber Eats platform for this task. Well, the Uber Eats website allows you to update your address, which indirectly helps in changing your location details on the Uber Driver app because both platforms share the same set of data linked to your account. Once you're on the website, make sure you're logged into your account. You'll find the login option at the top right of the page. Enter your credentials and proceed. Now, once you're logged in, you'll notice a landmark icon located beside the search bar on the home page. It's usually depicted as a small map, pin, or location symbol, easily identifiable. Click on this icon. It's your gateway to accessing and modifying your current address. This brings us to the address input section. Here you'll want to add your new address. Make sure you input the complete address to avoid any discrepancies later. You'll need to include your street number, street name, city, state, and postal code. Double check for accuracy, as precision is key when updating location details. If you make an error here, it might lead to confusion or incorrect routing by the app. Once your new address details are correctly filled in, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the form. Click on this button. As soon as you hit Save, the platform will automatically update your details. It may take a moment, or you might need to refresh the page to see the changes reflected. In doing this, your new location will be recognized not only on the Uber Eats app, but also on the Uber Driver app, thanks to the interconnected nature of Uber's platforms. Thus, you should find that when you open your Uber Driver app, your location settings should reflect your newly updated address. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to ensure your Uber Driver app reflects the correct city, enabling you to operate smoothly in your new area. If you have any issues or questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Uber support for further assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful to you. Safe driving.